Hello children, a very good morning to all. Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Okay, shall we move on to today's class? Today we are going to revise for GK. Okay, so for periodic test 2, you have third and fourth lesson. Okay, only two lessons, third and fourth lesson. Shall we revise one by one? Yes, first third lesson. What is the third lesson? Plants, medicinal plants. Okay. See, already we have seen. Okay, just we are going to revise this lesson. Okay, fine children. See here, there are many plants such as neem and turmeric that have healing properties. Ayurveda is a traditional Indian system of medicine that uses the healing powers of plants and herbs to cure different types of diseases. Medicinal plants were the first medicines that man had with him. Today, they form the basis of many modern drugs. Okay, so today we are going to see the medicinal plants. Okay, in home remedies we will use medicinal plants. Okay, fine children. See the first one. The sap from aloe vera is extremely useful to heal wounds, cuts and burns. You all have seen aloe vera, right? Yes, so some of them have at your home. Yes, yes, it heals wounds, cuts and burns. Next one. The science of treatment with the help of medicinal plant is known as phytotherapy. Okay, see this one children. The science of treatment with the help of medicinal plants is known as phytotherapy. Okay, you have to know this, the name of this one. Okay, phytotherapy. Fine. See the next one children. See, this is aloe vera. Okay, just now we have read this question, right? So this is aloe vera. Okay, you might have seen this one, right? Yes. Next one. Neem oil can be used as a natural pesticide. Neem stems are utilized as a substitute for toothbrushes by some people. You all have seen neem, right? Yes. So neem oil can be used as natural pesticide. Neem stems are utilized as a substitute for toothbrushes by some people. See the next one. Green cardamom is often used to treat infections of the teeth and gums. Okay children. Next one, you have a quiz questions. Okay. See the first question. Drinking aloe vera juice cures digestive problem. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is false. Okay, drinking aloe vera juice cures digestive problem is false. See the second question. Calendula can cure skin problems. Now tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. Okay, calendula can cure skin problems. Okay children, fine. Shall we move on to the exercise now? Yes. See, let us test your knowledge about some plants that have medicinal properties. See the first question. Cardamom is used in cooking and as mouth freshener as well. Do you know the Indian name of cardamom? See, you have an option. First option is ilachi and the second option is ajwain. And the third one is jeera. Okay, here the correct answer is ilachi. Okay children, fine. See the second question. The most effective cure for malaria is a medicine obtained from the bark of cinchona tree. What is it called? See, you have an option. The first option is paracetamol and the second option is quinine, aspirin. Okay, here the correct answer is quinine. Okay, fine. See this the next question. Although cactus like in its characteristics, aloe vera is a member of which plant family? Here the options are lily, rose and ginger. Okay, here the correct answer is lily. Okay, see the question again. Although cactus-like in its characters, aloe vera is a member of which plant family? The correct answer here is lily. Okay, fine children. See the next question. The leaves of this plant are said to be aid in digestion and are usually offered at the end of a traditional Indian meal. What leaf is it? Okay, here you have an option neem, second one is peepal, third one is beetle. Okay, here the correct answer is beetle. Okay, you might have seen this one. Okay, the leaves of beetle. Okay, see the question again. The leaves of this plant are said to aid in digestion and are usually offered at the end of a traditional Indian meal. What leaf is it? So the correct answer is beetle. Okay, fine. See the next question. Which medicinal plant is worshipped by Hindus and considered to be holy? Here the options are tulasi, ginger, lemongrass. Here the correct answer is tulasi. Okay, which medicinal plant is worshipped by Hindus and considered to be holy? The correct answer here is tulasi. Okay, you have seen tulasi already, right? Yes. See the second one, children. Write T for true and F for false. Okay, this is true or false. See the first question. Tulasi oil is also used as an ear drop. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. Okay, tulasi oil is also used as an ear drop. True. See the second question. Peppermint is used to treat fevers. True or false? Yes, it is also true. Yes, peppermint is used to treat fevers. Yes, it is true. Next one. Sage can be used to cure skin infections. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is also true. Okay, sage can be used to cure skin infections. Yes, it is true. See the next question. Calendula is a medicinal plant. Yes, it is true. Okay, calendula is a medicinal plant. Yes, true. See the next one. Cinnamon helps cure problems such as bronchitis and asthma. Yes, it is true. Okay, see, cinnamon helps cure problems such as bronchitis and asthma. Yes, it is true. Okay, fine children. Shall we move on to the next one? What is the next one? It is quiz time. Okay, see the first question. Lavang is an Indian spice that aids in digestion and helps soothe an irritable throat as well. What is the English name for lavang? Okay, here you have a option. The first option is clove, second one is coriander and the third one is cinnamon. Okay, here the correct answer is clove. Okay, fine children. See the next question, children. Basil is an important ingredient in cough syrups. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. Okay, basil is an important ingredient in cough syrups. See the next one. Dash can be used as an antiseptic. Here you have options. First one is lavender, second one is jasmine and the third one is jeera. Okay, here the correct answer is lavender. Lavender can be used as an antiseptic. Okay, yes, fine. See the next one. Dash is often used in teas. Okay, here you have a option. Okay, chamomile, lavender, marigold. Okay, here the correct answer is marigold. Okay, marigold is often used in teas. Okay, Fine. See the next one. The science of treatment with the help of medicinal plant is known as dash. Okay, here you have a option. Okay, the first option is aromatherapy, second one phytotherapy, and third one naturopathy. Okay, here the correct answer is phytotherapy. Okay, the science of treatment with the help of medicinal plant is known as phytotherapy. Okay, children, fine. So within this, the third lesson over. Shall we move on to fourth lesson to revise? Yes. Okay, children, see the fourth lesson. What is the fourth lesson? Animals, extinct animals. Okay, so extinct animals are animals that are no longer found on earth. While some animals such as the dodo were hunted down by human beings, others died naturally in the process of evolution. Some others such as the dinosaurs were mysteriously wiped out. See the question, children. First one. Moses were giant birds. The largest were even taller and heavier than today's ostriches. They were flightless and wingless. Okay, so this picture already you have seen. Okay, in normal class, regular class, I have shown the picture of moas. Okay, see, moas were giant birds. The largest were even taller and heavier than today's ostriches. They were flightless and wingless. Okay, see here you have one quiz questions. Okay, see, moas were giant birds. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. Just now we have seen this one, right? Moas were giant birds. Yes, it is true. Okay, fine, children. See the next one. Dinosaurs, the most famous of all the extinct creatures, lived on every continent of the world, including Antarctica. At present, over 700 different species have been identified, and scientists think there are many more yet to be discovered. Okay, this is about dinosaurs. This is dinosaur. Okay, you all have seen in movie some pictures, right? Yes, so this is dinosaurs. So the information about dinosaurs. Okay, see the next one. Before there were elephants, there were mammoths. The woolly mammoth being the last. They had thick furs because they lived in cold places. Okay, this picture also already I have shown, right? So it looks like elephant. Okay, the name of that one is woolly mammoth. Fine. See the next one. The great auk was a flightless bird that resembled a present day penguin. Okay. See, the great auk was a flightless bird that resembled a present day penguin. Are you all have seen penguin, right? Yes. Fine. See the next one. Here you have one quiz question. Okay. See, the tyrannosaur is a kind of dinosaur. Okay, here you have an option: dinosaur, tiger, penguin. Okay, the correct answer here is dinosaur. The tyrannosaurus is a kind of dinosaur. Okay, children? Yes. See, children, let us test your knowledge about extinct animals. See the first question. Which extinct creature's name is now commonly used in English to refer to someone who is being very lazy, very silly? Here you have an option. The first option is Dumbo, and the second one is donkey, and the third one is dodo. Okay, here the correct answer is donkey. See the second one. Which country was the flightless bird dodo native to? Here you have an option. The first option is India, second one is Indonesia, and the third one is Mauritius. Okay, here the correct answer is Mauritius. Okay, fine. See the next one. Here, paleontologists believe that birds descend directly from a Sorry children, see the third question. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies the ancient remains of dead plants and animals. What are such ancient remains called? Here you have an option: fossils, ruins, history. Here the correct answer is fossils. Okay. Next one. Many paleontologists believe that birds descend directly from a particular group of dinosaurs. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. Okay. Fine. See the next one. Dash was a big cat with a huge canine teeth. It is now extinct. The options are saber-toothed tiger, mammoth, platypus. Okay. Here the correct answer is saber-toothed tiger. Okay. Fine, children. See the second one, children. Name the following. An enormous mammal believed to be closely related to the modern day elephant. What is the name? It is woolly mammoth. Already we have seen, right? Yes. Next one. A flightless bird that resembled a present day penguin. What is the name of that one? The great auk. Okay. Fine. See the next one. A flightless bird that resembled a present day ostrich. That is moas. Okay. Fine. See the next one. That is quiz time. See the first question. The Irish elk was one of the largest deer ever. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. See the second one. The dodo become extinct because of excessive hunting by human beings. Tell me whether it is true or false. Yes, it is false. Okay. Only half hunted by human and half it's naturally in the died in the process of evolution. Okay, children. So it is false. Next, the koha was dash. Here you have option half horse, half zebra. Second one, half deer, half elephant. And the third option is half donkey, half monkey. Okay, so the correct answer here is half horse, half zebra. Okay, the cougar was a half horse and half zebra. Okay, children. See the next question, children. The dodo lived on the island of dash. Here you have an option. The first option is Sri Lanka. The second one is Mauritius. And the third one is Andaman. Okay, here the correct answer is Mauritius. Okay, fine. See the next one. The thylacine was also known as the Tasmanian tiger. Here it is whether it is true or false. Yes, it is true. Okay, the thylacine was also known as the Tasmanian tiger. Yes, it is true. Okay, children, fine. So you have 2 lessons for your periodic test too. Okay, so watch the video carefully and do the exam well. Okay, fine, children. Thank you.